Alright, first modification on the Ninja. We got some Puig spools. My full-time mechanic and part-time bike salesman Spencer is gonna install right now. And you might say, why do you make
it right now? I don't know if it's gonna
why
fit.
do you make a video about spools? Because
There we go.
some people don't know what they are, and we're gonna explain it to you. Alright? Hopefully by the time you have a ZX10 you know what it is. But you never know. Spencer, what are spools used for?
If you're popping up the bike on a rear stand to do some chain maintenance or any type of work, you just slide the rear stand right below these with the little hook, and you pop her right up.
Now, some people use Loctite. I myself, since I'm always down there and I clean the chain obsessively, I usually just check to make sure it's tightened. If I wasn't down there messing with it all the time, I probably wouldn't. Job done.
Nice easy install. What was that, a minute? 45 seconds?
Oh my gosh. Now we're doing pit times. Anyway, thank you all for checking it out. If you have questions about spools, hit me up in the comments. I'll talk to you. I've had experience with a couple different brands, and I'll tell you the difference between slider spools, regular spools. There's racing spools and spools upon spools and more spools. So, alright, we're gonna go ride on this beautiful day and catch y'all later. Thank you, Spence.